So there are two things that you need to build a better brain right now, and I'll tell you exactly what they are, and more importantly, how Solfeggio tones play a role in that, and how you can switch on your brain to actually increase neuroplasticity and brain health right now. So the other day I recorded a video about a university study that tested a bunch of students that were under exam stress. They found that 528 hertz music protected BDNF levels, and I thought I'd come back and explain, first of all, exactly what BDNF is, what CREB is, the other part of that study, and also no matter who you are, where you are, how old you are, how you can use this as a way to increase neuroplasticity in your own brain, which leads to a happier, healthier, more abundant life. Because once you understand what happens, this study and how you can use Solfeggio frequency music in your life just kind of lands differently. So BDNF stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. The simplest way to think about it is like it's fertilizer for your brain cells. It's a protein your brain produces to keep neurons alive and help them grow and help them build new connections and strengthen the connections between them. So every time you learn something new, BDNF strengthens the wiring so it actually sticks. Scientists call it plasticity. BDNF is the molecule that actually makes neuroplasticity possible. Now, CREB. If BDNF is the fertilizer, CRB is the switch that turns the factory on. It's a protein that sits on your DNA and activates those genes for learning and long-term memory, including the gene that produces BDNF. Higher CREB means your brain's operating. It's in build mode. Now here's why this study matters. Stress drains both of those. When cortisol goes up, BDNF and CREB go down. It's like the perfect example is brain fog, poor memory, lower mood. So those students were in the worst possible condition for their brains, peak exam stress, and the 528 hertz group, BDNF steadied and CREB actually went up. Build mode, from right inside the middle of the storm. And this was a double-blind placebo-controlled study, meaning they played normal music to a group, 528 hertz music to a group. They actually played 432 music to another group, which is a really interesting part of that study. I'll come back in another video and talk about 432 hertz music too. But so the point is this: listening to 528 hertz tone music when compared blind to a placebo group increases BDNF and CREB in your brain, which leads to better neuroplasticity, better brain health, better memory, better connections. That's science. That's why I put 528 in so many tracks that we build. If you don't know me, my name's John. I am the founder of Sonic Soulworks. You can click the link in my bio. I've got a giant free library of sacred tones and frequencies and tracks that you can go listen to and listen to 528 hertz and increase your BDNF and CREB in your own life. Okay, see you, bye.